Hey, what's up guys, Manish here, back with a new video after 4 months.
Wow!
And in this quick video, we are going to see a trick which will help you to make your own customized WhatsApp stickers. So without any type of further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways of getting your own WhatsApp stickers, but for these two ways you need to download one app that is called Personal Stickers for WhatsApp. I will surely drop a link down below in the description to this app. So the first way is downloading the normal PNG images from the web. So open up Google Chrome browser and search for anything like Spider-Man PNG and go to the images, and from there download the one with a PNG format image, or else you can go to the website called stickpng.com, and here you will get varieties of PNG format images that you can use it as stickers. To use this downloaded images as stickers, we first need to import it to the WhatsApp by using this app. To do that, just open up this app and check whether the images you have downloaded are appearing on the app or not. If not so, you must have not downloaded the PNG format images, because this app only shows you the PNG images on your smartphone. If you did everything correctly, then there must be an add button. Click on that to import it to the WhatsApp stickers, and yeah, it's done. Now you can enjoy those stickers right from your WhatsApp. The second way is downloading icon packs. You can easily download or make your own icon packs, and then you can transfer it to your smartphone and simply import the pack to the WhatsApp using this personal sticker app. How cool is that? So that's it for this video. I will be uploading more videos very soon, so be sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe for more such awesome content, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.